Good morning everyone. Welcome to the GNN News. We have some sad news today. On February 6, 2023, Turkey and Syria we have an earthquake. Let's take a look on earthquake. As you can see, there are 25,401 deaths, 85,276 injuries, 1,300,000 people forced to leave their homes. Also, the building has been destroyed. And now, please do pray for Turkey and Syria. Let's stay silent.
What's going on here? Why are we crying?
Because classic Caillou. Today's we have earthquake in Turkey and Syria. We are going to the park to see is pictures for Turkey and Syria.
What? No. I am not going to the park to see pictures earthquake in Turkey and Syria. I want to go to Chuck E. Cheese.
No. You cannot go into Chuck E. Cheese. Let's get on the car. Poor man. It's so sad. The building is destroyed.
Ugh. I'm so bored. I hate that earthquake in Turkey and Syria. What to do? Wait, I know. I am going to ditch to earthquake Turkey and Syria and go to Chuck E. Cheese. Ha 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 coin 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 ha 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 ha. Dad. Can I use to the bathroom?
Okay son. I will be wait soon.
Ha 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 ha. Escape to pictures in earthquake Turkey and Syria to go to Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. Here I am. Yes. I won. Oh boy. The pizza it's so delicate.
Hey, Doris. Where is classic Caillou? He is coming back to the in 30 minutes. Wait a minute. Classic Caillou ditched to pictures earthquake Turkey and Syria go to Chuck E. Cheese we supposed in pictures earthquake Turkey and Syria. That's it. Let's grab him.
Classic Caillou, classic Caillou, classic Caillou, classic Caillou, classic Caillou, classic Caillou. Get over here right now 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 and no oh 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 www.
Classic Caillou. How can not believe ditched to pictures earthquake Turkey and Syria and went to the Chuck E. Cheese. That's it.
You are grounded for 222911214422111842111842114 years. That means no Chuck E. Cheese, no McDonald's, no Copeland, no Istanbul, and no computer.
Now go to your room now and go to bed.
No 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 no.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, subscribe, comment. Also, please do pray for Turkey and Syria just will be say, #praise Turkey and Syria. Thank for watching. Goodbye.